Happy birthday, sis. I hope that you have more birthdays to come. Now and after. I hope that you would like my song that I sing to you now. Are you ready? You ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday sa'yo. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati sa'yo. Ngayon ang birthday mo, ikaw ay maligaya. Katulad ngayon, ikaw ay masaya. Sana'y marami pang birthday ang abutin mo. Happy, happy birthday sa'yo. Happy, happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday, sis.
Go.
Happy birthday, sis. Lani.
Birthday to you, boom boom. Happy birthday to you, boom boom. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Atilan, happy birthday to you. Ati, happy birthday Atilan. Hello, pag-enjoy gid sa imuhang day Atilan sa pag-play sa imuhang kuan, pag games ba puhon. Moro to siya. Happy birthday, T. Thank you so much. I love you. Mwah.
Hello, Atilani. Happiest birthday sa'yo. I wish you a lifetime of happiness, a smaller amount of worries, and a boatload of big dreams coming true. So, Atilani, wishing you a magical birthday filled with wonderful surprises, and I hope you have a great day today. And the year ahead is full of many blessings. So God bless you more, Atilani, and thank you so much DI sa always nga pag-support. So ate, we are just here for you din. Nasa Daplin rami, so matawag rami mo sa Daplin. Pito ate, so happiest birthday and thank you so much for being a friend. So salamat ate, happiest birthday again.
Atilani Parish, happy birthday Tilan. My wish for you te, sa imuhang adlaw na tawhan, ngaon tagaan ka o kabaskog sa lawas sa Ginoo, taas nga kinabuhi o you will get spoiled sa imuhang bana o sa mga anakis. Don't stress sa imuhang birthday te, o just have fun. And I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you sa imuhang suporta te na bisan tuod og mga beginners lang ni te, but you're still there for us. And I'm very happy to be one of your members. And you know na my support will always be, it will be forever and always Tilan. Hantod na matiguang na lang tate, na alang gihapon ang ako ang suporta sa imuha. Anyway, Tilan, di na ako magramat te, kay makahilak ko te. Thank you, Tilan, for being so nice to us. And that's one of the reasons why I like you and I am supporting your channel, because of your simplicity and your kindness towards other people. Stay cool, stay pretty, and stay nice day. And you know that we will always be here for you, willing and always ang among suporta and love. Have a good day, Tilan, and enjoy. Mwah.
Happy birthday! Wishing you a beautiful day with a good health and happiness forever. Love, 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 love. Enjoy your day. Amping kanunay. Bye-bye, Tay. Happy, happy birthday again. Mwah. Bye.
Happy birthday, Sis Lani, and sana healthy, long life, and more birthdays to come. Ayan, kahit wala akong kilay, nag-greet ako sa'yo kasi importante itong araw na to para sa'yo. And I love you and thank you sa friendship. At kahit minsan meron tayong mga kabisi-bisihan sa buhay natin, may pinggan doon na maingay, mamaya na yan. Ayan, happy birthday and I love you. God bless you and your family. Mwah. It's me, Mama Beshi.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Sis Lani Paris. Thank you for support me. And then wish you a good health and more blessing to come. I love you. Bye.
Hello, Ma'am Lani Paris. I want to say happy birthday. And I wish you a good health. More blessings to come to you and to your family too. And I wish you a long, long life. And I want to say thank you for the support that you give to me, to my channel, and to my mother.
Hi, Sis Lani Parish. Ayan. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo, Sis Lani Parish. How old are you, girl? But anyway, guys, si Sis Lani Parish ay never ko siyang nakalimutan, and thank you so much sa iyo ng bunggang-bungga, Sis Lani Parish. You're so very legit and supportive friend until now. And si Sis Lani Parish ay pagpasok ko ng YouTube, siya ang pinakaunang channel na puntahan ko, napasok ko sa live streaming. Ayan, hanggang ngayon, hindi siya nagbabago. Hindi nagbabago ang simple woman, ang pretty woman, and simple woman. Ayan. And enjoy your birthday, sis. And thank you so much for your invite me here. Thank you so much. Isa akong naimbitahan mo. Ang masasabi ko lang, sis, sa ngayon, today is your birthday. Enjoy your birthday and keep safe with family members, family couple. Thank you so much. And most of that, thank you so much sa iyong mga pakulay sa akin. Thank you sa iyong buong suporta. Thank you your all support until now. At walang magbabago. I love you, sis. Sis Lani Paris, I love you. Mwah! I love you. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi, Sis Lani. Good morning. Sorry, I just woke up. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. I wish you all the best also sa ating YTC world. Sana marami pang like and subscribes. Also comments din. And still be humble, and I just want you to stay safe every day. And also, thank you for being my friends and support me also to my YTC. You're so nice, Cici. God bless.
Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Lani, happy birthday to you, happy birthday Lani. Today is your special day. Please know that we are glad and happy to have you as our friend, and thank you also for supporting me, especially my YouTube channel and everyone else. Wishing you a happy birthday and more blessings to come and good health always. So thank you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Sisi Lani Paris. Happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come in your life. More subscriber and more member in your channel. Thank you so much for being part of my member. Again, happy birthday to you. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.
Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. This is Juberas Kitchen. Kanina, nakatanggap po ako ng message kay Lani na ako ay gagawa ng video para sa kanyang birthday. Okay, si Lani Paris ay napakabait na friend ko dito sa YT World. Ayan, halos magkasabayan kami nag-umpisa dito sa YT. Napakabait po siya. Ayan, at siya po ay aking super chatter din, si Lani Paris. O, Lani Paris, happy birthday sa iyo. Sana'y lalong mag-grow yung channel. Ayan. Happy birthday ulit sa iyo. Happy birthday. Sa iyo ang pulutan. Ay, happy birthday ulit, Lani Paris. See you.
Ayan, ako po si Angeline Cortez. Ako po ay bumabati sa iyo ng maligayang araw. Happy birthday at salamat sa mga pag-play mo ng aking video. Happy birthday!
Hello, cousin Lani Paris. Happy birthday to you, my dear cousin. My greetings for you is good health and more birthdays to come. Keep smiling. God bless you and your family. And wish you all the best and luck on your YouTube channel. And happy birthday. I love you. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Hi sis, it's me, JM Ramos Vlog. I just wanna say happy birthday and wishing you all the best, more success in life. Stay strong, stay healthy, and never stop chasing your dreams. I am always here to support you and enjoy your day. God bless. Bye.
Hello, Ate Lani Paris. Happy birthday to you. I wish that you're always happy and more blessings to come. Stay kind and humble. Happy birthday to you, Ate Lani Paris.
Hi sis Lani Paris. Ayan, sorry ha at natagalan ang pagbigay sa iyo ng aking greetings. Ngayon ko lang nagawa. Ayan. Gusto lang kitang batiin sisi ng magandang kaarawan. Sana ay marami pang taon ang darating sa buhay mo. Enjoy ka lang palagi. Alam ko mabait yung asawa mo at mabait ka din at maganda pa. Ayan. Wish ko lang sa iyo sisi na good health. At sana ay hindi ka magbabago, stay pretty as you are, at sana ay lumago pa yung channel mo, napakalaki na ng channel mo sisi. Ayan. Happy birthday ulit, God bless you more, bye bye, love you.
Hello guys, ayan, gusto ko lang batiin ang happy birthday sis Lani Paris. Ayan, ang aking wish ay good health and happiness forever at sana maging mas maunlad pa ang iyong channel. Alam kong napakalaki na ng channel mo. Ayan, wish ko na mas lumaki pa. Ayan, and yan ang mga pangarap ng mga YouTuber. Ayan, salamat sa lahat ng support mo sa aking channel na si Stephanie K channel. Ayan, salamat sis. Ayan, kakantahan kita. Pasensya sa boses ko guys ha. Ayan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, happy birthday sis Lani Paris. Ayan na. Thank you sa lahat and I love you. Thank you guys.
Happy birthday to you, sis Lani Paris. According to the Bible in 3 John 2 says, Beloved, I wish above all things that thou mayest prosper and be in health, even as thy soul prospereth. This is Rich May, USA, wishing you a blessed and happy, wonderful birthday. Thank you. God bless. See ya.
Hello! Happy birthday sa nag-iisang Lani Paris, Sisi! Special day mo ngayon. Nawa, ang iyong puso, napakabusilak ng puso mo, ay nag-uumapaw sa kasiyahan. Ayan. Happy birthday, Sisi Love! And thank you so much also for always supporting my channel. And, alam mo, napaka-cheerful mo talaga. At wala akong masabi sa mga the moves mo, sis! Ayan. I wish you all the best in life and more happiness in life with your family. Stay safe, Sisi, with your family also. And sa lahat ng iyong ginagawa, alam mo na yan, lahat yan ay magiging successful. Ayan. Wala akong ibang masasabi sa'yo, kundi ang maging tuloy-tuloy kung ano man ang iyong naumpisahan. And wish you all the best in life, Sisi. Thank you so much also. And don't forget, guys, na laging suportahan si Lani Paris. Napakamasiyahin niya at napakabusilak po ng kanyang puso. Thank you so much, Sisi, sa walang sawa mo also pagsusuporta sa aking channel. And be humble always and stay safe. And ayan, more birthdays to come. Thank you so much, guys. Ayan po, ito po si Mary Ann Ona and nagwi-wish po sa aking Sisi Love na happy.
Hi, Sisi Loves! Lani Parish, Mami Jo Color here. Ayun, gusto lamang kitang batiin ng happy birthday. God bless you more, sis, and more power to your channel. Si Lani Parish ay isa sa mga napaka-humble at napakabait na YouTuber na nakilala ko sa mundo ng YT. Ayan, continue mo lang, sis, ang pagiging supportive at pagtulong sa ating mga kapwa YouTuber. Ayan, God bless you and sana lumago pa ng lumago ang iyong channel at sumikat ka para ma-reach mo yung dreams mo bilang isang successful na vlogger. Ayan, ingat palagi dyan, sis. Good health and more power. Ayan. Salamat, Sisi, at isa ako sa napili mo na hinga ng iyong video clippings para sa iyong kaarawan today. And God bless you. And basta nandito lang ako, sis. Lagi ako nakasuporta rin sa inyo. Salamat sa lahat. And ayun lang, sis. Ingat. Bye-bye.
Hello, Lan. Happy birthday. Wish you more success sa iyong YouTube channel at more birthdays to come. Stay pretty and healthy. Happy birthday to you, my friend and classmate.
Hello. I just want to greet Lani Paris. Happy birthday. This is Manata Grace channel. Nice to meet you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Lani. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lani.
What else? Okay, Lani, happy birthday. I wish nothing but the best for you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Bye.
Hello, Lani. How are you? We're just hiding in Justine's bedroom making a secret video. So, we're going to wish you a very happy birthday. I won't say how old you are, but you're getting older. But, yeah, thank you for another fantastic year and everything. Just, yeah, thank you very much. Love you heaps and hope you have a great day. What would you like to say?
Happy birthday, Mom. I love you. Happy birthday, Mom. I love you.
Thank you. Okay, you ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lanny. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hope you have a good day and many more years to come. Bye.
Go. Lan, hi. It's your birthday today. Happy birthday. I hope that you are happy today with your family there in Australia. God bless, Mama. Hi, Lani. My dear sister. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. More birthdays to come. More blessings and more subscribers on your YouTube channel. Once again, happy birthday. I love you. Lani, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lan. Lani, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday, Lan. I hope there are so many more birthdays to come. Thank you.
To my ever supportive sister, Lani Amores Parish, it's your natal day. I wish you more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day and be happy. Thank you for your support to our family. Thank you for being a good sister. Not just a good sister, but a generous sister. Good luck to your career. Keep on smiling, and once again, happy birthday, my dear sister Lani.
Hi, Lan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lani. How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lani. Thank you. Subscribe.
Hi, Ate Lan. Happy birthday. Happy blessed natal day. I wish you more birthdays to come and more blessings. Have a good health and stay safe. And God bless you all and your family.
Birthday, Lani. Sana masaya ka ngayon sa karon.
Hi, Lan. Happy birthday. I wish you're in good health always and stay strong. And more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday. Amping mo di house ng pamilya.
Sige. Sige na. Day, happy birthday, Day. Dat ni imong igagaw. Naatan ta malipayon ka karong tuiga sa imong birthday. Daghang salamat.
Happy birthday ran, uban man ni Dave o mga bata. Happy birthday to you. Paginaot ko nga katagan bugman lawas. Uban ni Dave, uban mga bata. Salamat.
Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Oh.